You're sitting in a quiet room, the only sound the hum of your computer. But beyond the glass, the universe is doing something strange, something vast, something beyond our senses. It's not the stars you see, but the invisible scaffolding that holds them together. A web so delicate, so ancient. It's been weaving the cosmos since time began. This is dark matter, the unseen force that binds galaxies, that shapes the fate of stars, that governs the unseen architecture of the universe. It doesn't shine, doesn't glow, doesn't interact with light. Yet, it is the silent architect of everything we see. And we are just beginning to understand how it all fits together. How the universe is not just made of stars and planets, but of something far older, far stranger, and far more powerful. We're talking about the invisible scaffolding of the universe. A structure so vast it defies the limits of our vision. It's made not of stars or planets, but of something we can't see. Yet, it holds everything together. This web is made of dark matter, a substance that doesn't emit, absorb, or reflect light. It's the silent architect of the universe, shaping the galaxies and clusters we see today. We can't see it, but we can feel its presence. The way galaxies move, the way light bends around massive objects. All these are clues to a structure that is older and more complex than anything we've ever imagined. This cosmic web is not just a structure. It's a map of the universe's past, present, and future. Every galaxy is a node in this vast, unseen network, connected by invisible strings of dark matter. To understand dark matter is to understand the invisible foundation of reality itself. It's not just the missing piece of the puzzle. It's the shape of the puzzle we're trying to solve. You might not feel it, but the invisible threads of dark matter are stitching the fabric of the universe together. They're not just distant ghosts. They're the unseen architects of the cosmos. Every star, every planet, every breath you take exists because these invisible structures guided the birth of the universe. We're part of a grand, unfolding design we can barely comprehend. Our existence is a result of forces we can't see, yet they shaped the very conditions that made life possible. It's humbling to think about how much of the universe is still beyond our grasp. Dark matter isn't just a scientific curiosity. It's the hidden foundation of everything we know. Understanding it could rewrite our understanding of reality itself. Even as we look out into the depths of space, we're being held together by something we can't see. That's why you should care. Because you're part of a universe that's far more mysterious and beautiful than you can imagine. We begin in the first fraction of a second after the Big Bang, when the universe was a seething soup of energy and particles. Gravity, the slowest force, started to weave order from chaos. As time stretched, gravity pulled dark matter into vast, invisible tendrils. These ghostly structures became the scaffolding for galaxies, invisible yet foundational. Millions of years later, the web grew denser, forming clusters of galaxies, each a city in the dark, vast metropolis of the cosmos. Today, we peer into the deep universe and see the remnants of this ancient structure, a vast, invisible web that still binds the cosmos together. Imagine the universe as a giant spider web, but made of invisible thread. Those threads are dark matter, holding everything together like a secret glue. You can't see it, but it's there, pulling stars and galaxies into place, like a quiet dance in the dark. Think of it like a spider web in the night. You can see the web, but you can see the bugs and the moon. Dark matter is like that web. It's all around us, holding everything in place. It's not just a story about what we can see. It's a story about what holds the universe together, even when we can't see it. The universe began with a whisper, a ripple in the void. Before time, before light, there was only dark matter, silent, unseen. yet holding the fabric of reality together. Dark matter didn't glow, didn't move like stars, but it had mass. It pulled, shaped, and set the stage for everything that would come after. In the early universe, dark matter was the first architect. It formed vast, interconnected structures, cosmic webs, without a single star to guide it. These webs were not just lines. They were the scaffolding of the cosmos, waiting for light to follow and for life to take root. The setup was simple, yet profound. Dark matter didn't ask for recognition, but it laid the groundwork for the universe as we know it. Once the seeds of dark matter form, gravity becomes the silent architect, pulling in ordinary matter like dust caught in a cosmic tide. This invisible scaffolding acts as a gravitational well, drawing in galaxies and their stars, shaping the universe structure with an unseen hand. As these filaments grow denser, they form massive galaxy clusters, their gravity binding them together in a cosmic dance of mutual attraction. This is the unseen skeleton of the cosmos, dark matter's web, where the universe story is written in the silence between the stars. Now, as gravity pulls the dark matter into dense regions, it's not just the sheer mass that matters. It's how this mass shapes the very fabric of space. The dark matter acts as a scaffolding, not just holding structure together, but guiding the flow of ordinary matter like a cosmic river finding its path. This is where dark matter's true genius lies. It doesn't just clump. It orchestrates the formation of galaxies with a kind of invisible, elegant choreography. It's not just about where things are. It's about how they move, how they pull, how they shape the universe in ways we can only begin to see. And in that movement, we see the quiet power of dark matter, how it bends light, molds space, and weaves the universe into a web of endless possibility. Underneath the shimmer of galaxies, there is a silent, gravitational symphony. It's not light that binds the cosmos, but something invisible, yet powerful. Dark matter, the unseen scaffolding of the universe. We map the universe not by what we see, but by how things move. The way galaxies rotate, the way clusters cluster. It's all a fingerprint of dark matter's gravitational hand. Dark matter doesn't just hold the cosmos together. It shapes it. It carves out the vast thread-like structures we call cosmic webs, where galaxies are like islands in an ocean of shadow. Every star we see, every galaxy we study, is part of a grand, invisible architecture. It's not just the universe we're looking at. It's the universe we're feeling through its invisible bones. This is the science that hums beneath the cosmos. A quiet, gravitational song that shapes the structure of all we know. It's the unseen hand that guides the universe into its intricate, eternal form. Imagine the universe as a great invisible spiderweb, spun from dark matter. It's not just structure, it's the scaffolding that holds everything together. Unseen, but unbreakable. These filaments are not made of light, but of dark matter, the silent architect of the cosmos. They cradle galaxies like beads on a string, guiding their birth and motion. We see only the light, but the web is the truth beneath it. It's the skeleton of the universe, the invisible hand that shaped the stars and the void between them. This is not just science. It's a story of balance, of unseen forces shaping a universe that feels vast, but is actually held together by something we can't see, yet must believe in. Before you go, if you enjoyed this, please give it a like, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And tell us in the comments what you'd like us to make next. We read every single one. Thank you so much for watching. Comment this emoji if you made it to the end.